the process. You're supposed to make a guess of the diagram. This is the one plate. This is another plate. So it's telling it is, again, two plates are there. It's telling it is there immersed in a tank which is filled by a oil. So there's a tank is there. So this will be the oil filled tank. So the blue color is what? The oil. Just simple, if you can get again the diagram, basic diagram, no, you can manage. Now the what the plates, the plates which are immersed, what happen? That is, I think there's the battery here. So nothing to do. There's not a capacitor. There's a cell. These are moved with a speed v. Calculate the current drawn from the battery during the process. So EMF of the battery, 500 volt. Dielectric constant is of oil. He has given 11. These are plates. Huh? This is another plate. So are you seeing any two capacitors? As there's an air capacitor, there's a oil capacitor, and they are in parallel. No, so the total effective capacitance should be oil. So C of air should be equal to epsilon naught L into, let X be the displacement, let X be the length here. So L into L minus X by D. Then this will be K epsilon naught Lx D. This is the capacitance. So if you add up, if you further, you can simplify this, we'll get the total capacitance. So now it's asking to get the expression for current. How do we can bring expression for current? So we know charge here. In general, charge, this shall we write C into V. I'll get C as a function of X. Then I'll differentiate, I'll get expression for current. Here, what should happen to current? In what direction the current will flow? Overall capacitance will increase, no? The charge will increase, so the direction of current should be here. I'll differentiate this equation. dq by dt should be equal to dc by dt into v. Differentiate this, we'll get expression for the current through the circuit. Calculate, and that value of current is asking. So here this I equal to v dc by dt. Differentiating this, f naught L by d dx by dt plus k f naught L d dx by dt. F naught L k minus 1. F naught L d okay, this should be the expression for this one. So if the plates are accelerated, so V equal to 80. So you just look at the mathematics. Huh? So different types of questions can be asked here. So you have to be very careful about this one. I think they given answer some 4.425 nanoampere.
Sir, what will be L, sir?
L is given, no? 1 meter. Look at the current, nanoampere, no? If you increase speed, even if you make it say 10 meter, at the most it may increase by of that one. So definitely the what current we get is of very small order.
Sir, then what is the impact of that velocity, sir? Of that speed?
It's there, no? If you increase speed, current will increase. High we got proportional to V, no? The similar condition, what you had, the slab connected across the cell, and if you move the slab with a constant speed, there also what happen, the current will be constant. So if the slab accelerates, the current will be variable. So depending upon the motion of the slab, the nature of